Do you have stubborn stains or bad smells on your clothes? Before you buy expensive stain removers, try this simple trick using vinegar and baking soda. You only need 3 simple ingredients you probably already have at home: 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 1 liter of warm water. First, sprinkle baking soda directly onto the stain. Next, slowly pour the vinegar over it. You'll see it start to fizz. That reaction helps loosen dirt and break down odors trapped in the fabric. This bubbling reaction happens when vinegar and baking soda mix together. As it fizzes, it helps lift the stain from the fabric fibers. If the stain is strong, you can gently rub the fabric or lightly scrub the area to help the mixture work deeper. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so the reaction has enough time to break down the dirt and odors. Then soak the stained area in the warm water for a few minutes to help lift the loosened dirt. After that, wash the clothes as you normally do with your regular detergent. This method works great for sweat odors, food stains, and musty clothes. Sometimes the best cleaning trick is a simple science experiment in your laundry room. Try it and let me know in the comments if it works for you.